Hello, awesome students! This is going to be an incredible, awesome lesson. What is certainty? Yes, you are right. We express our certainty when we are certain and sure 100% about something. Let's see this dialogue. Hi, do you think you will pass the exam? Hello, yes, I am really sure. Why do you think that way? I'm sure about that. I've prepared everything well for the exam, so I will definitely pass it. We said that we express our certainty when we are sure about something. So here is the opposite. We express our uncertainty where we are not certain or sure about something. Let's see this example. Will scientists find a cure to coronavirus? We're not really sure about that, but finger crossed. Task 1. Read the dialogues. Answer these questions based on the dialogue above. Task 3. Read the following expressions. How to express certainty and uncertainty. Expressing certainty. Expressing uncertainty. Task 4. Make short dialogues using certainty and uncertainty expressions. Test. Choose the best answer. A, B, C, or D. Hope you've enjoyed the lesson. Looking forward another awesome lesson with you.